That's already halfway through my set. Anyway, there's something about this character, of course. It doesn't end here, you know. These characters, they do fall in love and they go, oh my god, so lovely. But there's always a certain urge to them. They cannot stay in one place. They have to leave. And there's like they need to find something new all the time, no matter who's there. And that's not compatible with everyone, sadly. So sometimes, even though the love is there, there's something missing. And it's not the person, it's the place. Well, this character's gonna get a name. This man's called Deel. Once was a man, we called him Deel. You see this man, he was really brave. The soul of a child, and his heart was old, full of love. One day he met a girl, her eyes spread green with golden curls. Smelled like sun, moved like rain. Sparks when she would twirl. And after a week they were in love. Their heads in the sky, looking down from high above. There wasn't a single dream they were not dreaming. So they sang with the wind, they laughed with the sun, and they danced with the trees. The world at their feet, nothing they couldn't be. And they cried with the night, tears of joy and tears of light. The moon felt empty for their hearts so bright. While they danced, time went on, day by day, the weeks were gone. They started feeling this wasn't the place where he belonged. And while their love it grew, his heart started longing for something new. He'd always known it's just a place he moved through. So Dave took her hand, looked her in the eyes and said, "I've got a plan. Let's go searching for forgotten lands. And we'll sing with the wind, we'll laugh with the sun, and we'll dance with the trees. The world at our feet, nothing we couldn't be. And we'll cry with the night, tears of joy and tears of light. The moon will be empty for our hearts so bright." She gave him a sad smile. She'd been fearing this moment for a while. She'd always known, just a matter of time. So while her love it grew, her heart started longing for something new. Never did she leave this place behind. You know what they say, nothing lasts forever, and that is okay. Sometimes when you love, part ways. So he sang with the wind, he laughed with the sun, and he danced with the trees. The world at his feet, nothing he could be. But he cried with the night, tears of loss on the stars so bright. Sometimes the light it lost in the night. So yeah, that's the story of this man. And he keeps on going, he keeps on going. And he makes friends on the way. And sometimes he loses friends, which is very sad. There's one particular friend he lost. His name was Toon. He died on the 3rd of October this year. You a man full of smiles, a man full of life and a man full of love. A man whose music and laughter left us to be together with the stars high above. His spirit so bright and bring those stars to the room. His soul so full of life that made me want to live too. His mind so wise but now we sing songs in blue. Cause life is unfair and he left us too soon. Sometimes I cry thinking of him. The world seems pointless and vengeful and grim. But often I'm thankful knowing that I knew a man so pure and honest and kind. There'll be a time when my days come to an end, and we'll sit on a cloud, sing together again. And we'll wait for the moon to kiss the sun, and the music will go on and on and on. You a man full of smiles, a man full of life and a man full of love. A man whose music and laughter warmed us forever as a house inside our hearts. Thank you for listening. First time I did that live. Still quite intense. I'm gonna finish this with a song about the good old days. Kind of a weird thing, maybe not rich at all, but has any of you seen The Office? Okay, so in the very last episode, there you remember Andy, right? And he says, I wish there was a way to tell that you were in the good old days while you were living them. And then he says, someone should write a song about this. So of course I get all my inspiration from sitcom TV. So I wrote a song about it, about the good old days. I think it's a good final song for this man as well. There was a time a while ago, things were fine but kinda slow. Days passed us like a dream, but now it's a while since I have seen your faces, the places that we used to call home in the good old days. The ones that come and go, that we end up missing the most. Their souls, they learned our hearts. Cause it's on the past strings of time that we danced our rhymes so fine in the good old days. joys and memories made. And all those days are sometimes what I long for. The memories that keep me strong. You see your smiles, they keep me warm. Long after the summer is gone, the rain, it tells its tale. 'Cause even when the skies are grey, you should know that today we are living the good old days. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Wayward Fool. I'm a bit of the character I was talking about as well. I used to be 91, I think. Maybe a little bit. Anyway, you can find me on all the socials and all the music things as well as Wayward Fool, if you're interested to hear more. Thank you for listening. Give it up for the next.